Okay, tell me why the floor just blinked at us. Floors are not supposed to blink. That feels suspicious.
Benjamin, breathe. Remember last time the lockers turned into a portal? This might be another field trip surprise.
Logically, if the floor is blinking, it is not a floor. It is a digital entry point. Probability of time travel? Very high.
So you're saying we didn't miss math class missed us. My brain is doing backflips like it just found Wi Fi.
Whoa, look around. Everything is glowing. The signs are floating, and that cloud just waved at me. My heart did a cartwheel.
Welcome to Code World. This environment appears to be built from algorithms, data, and artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence? So, like a robot with a really smart brain and no bedtime?
Incorrect. AI does not think like humans. It analyzes patterns, follows instructions, and helps humans work faster and smarter.
So it's not here to take over our homework?
Correct. AI is a tool, like a calculator, but for ideas.
Oh, so if my brain reads remix, not wrong, AI can help remix the instructions so they actually make sense?
Precisely. It does not replace effort, it supports growth.
So Code World isn't about shortcuts, it's about smarter strategies.
Say less. Let's take this knowledge back before my eyebrows leave my face again.
Time travel exit initializing.
Freedom fighters, ready?
Ready. And next time, I'm asking AI to explain fractions like a comic book.